So let's unbox the iPhone 16 Pro Max in the black titanium color. Really excited to see how this is going to look. Now I picked this up in the 256GB configuration, so let's get right to it. Now we're ready for liftoff. Alright, and there we have it, guys, the black titanium on the 16 Pro Max. I think the black looks really nice and sleek. Definitely a nice stealthy look. Go ahead and peel off the front. Got a beautiful 6.9-inch OLED display. And what's new with the 16 Pro Max is going to be this new camera control button over here. We have the side button on the right. And on the left, we still have our action button and our volume marker right over there. And on the bottom, we have our familiar USB-C with transfer speeds up to 10 gigabits per second, which is awesome. Now, taking a closer look at the box here, it's going to be very simple. All we're going to get is a USB-C to C cable. We're going to get a white braided cable. It's a nice high quality cable, although I would have liked them to color match it with whatever color you choose. I think it would have looked fire if it was black, but we do get the standard white USB-C to C cable. And finally, all we're going to have is two little sheets here in a pill shape, letting you know that these don't use physical SIM cards anymore. Everything's going to be done electronically, and some more details of the phone. With that out of the way, let's go ahead and fire this up and set it up. The biggest standout feature of the new 16 Pro Max is the new 6.9-inch Super Retina XDR OLED display with ProMotion adaptive refresh rate up to 120 Hz. Powering the 16 Pro Max is the new A18 Pro chip with a 6-core CPU, a new 6-core GPU for better gaming performance, and a new 16-core neural engine. The Pro camera system has the same triple camera layout design with a new 48 megapixel fusion camera, a 48 megapixel ultra wide camera, and finally a 12 megapixel telephoto camera. The new dedicated camera control makes it very easy to open up your camera, take photos, and easily adjust zoom seamlessly. The front-facing camera hidden in the dynamic island is a 12 megapixel camera. The 16 Pro Max has a larger 4685 mAh battery, which is a 6% increase in size compared to last year. For storage, the 16 Pro Max starts at 256 gigabytes with options for 512 or the highest 1 terabyte option. You get to choose from 4 different color options: natural, desert, white titanium, or this awesome and stealthy black titanium. The biggest downside though is Apple Intelligence being absent at launch, which honestly really sucks. These AI features should have definitely been released with the launch, so I'm really disappointed in that, but we are expecting a fall update, so hopefully it comes pretty soon. Outside of that though, I think the 16 Pro Max's larger screen, larger battery, and new camera control are enough to make the new iPhone a worthy upgrade from the 15, and even more if you have an older iPhone model, since you'll be gaining USB-C, which is one of the best features of the latest iPhones. But let me know what you guys think of this new 16 Pro Max, and thank you guys so much for watching, and I will also love your support with a like, share, and subscribe. Firewolf out.